Today we will discuss the problems based on relative motion. तो सबसे पहले सिंपल क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Suppose there are two cars A and B. Car A is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second and car B is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second. There are two cars A and B. Car A is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Car B is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second. We have to find VAB. VAB means relative velocity of A with respect to B. We have to find relative velocity of A with respect to B, which is also written as VAB. Relative velocity of A with respect to B. And second, we have to find VBA, relative velocity of B with respect to A. So, firstly we will assume the direction. Suppose positive direction is taken from A to B. Positive direction we have supposed from A to B. So VAB equals to VA minus VB. The direction of A is the direction of A and our supposed direction, they are same. So 20 is the velocity of A would be taken positive minus B, velocity of B. So the direction of car B and our supposed direction, they are same. So it would be also taken as positive 20 minus 15, which is 5 meter per second. Since it is positive, the magnitude is positive 5 meter per second. It means the direction of relative velocity A with respect to B is towards right. The direction is towards right. Because the direction, positive direction which we have assumed, is also towards right. Now we have to calculate VBA, which is VB minus VA. VB is 15 and both have the same direction, minus VA, both have the same direction, 15 minus 20, which is minus 5 meter per second. Negative sign shows that velocity of B with respect to A, the direction of this relative velocity is towards left. Is towards left. We can assume this direction in this way also. Let me have supposed towards left as a positive direction. The result would remain same. Relative velocity of A with respect to B, VA minus VB. The direction of A, car A and our assumed direction, they are opposite to each other. So it would be taken minus 20. Minus VB, the direction of B and our assumed direction, again they are opposite. So the velocity of B would also be taken in negative form, minus 50. And the result comes minus 20 plus 50, which is minus 5 meter per second. So minus sign represent that the direction is towards right, because we have assumed towards left, and this minus sign shows that the direction of relative velocity A with respect to B is towards right. Is towards right. Now BBA equals to BB minus BA. BB both are in opposite direction, so minus 15 minus, again they are in opposite direction, so minus 20. It gives minus 15 plus 20, which is 5 meter per second, and positive 5 meter per second shows that the direction is towards the assumed direction, means towards left. Towards left. So, solving such type of problems, we can assume any direction, either towards right or either towards left. Another question, suppose there are two cars A and B. Car A is moving towards left with a speed or velocity of 15 meter per second, and car B is moving towards right with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Both the cars are moving directly opposite to each other. So again we have to calculate VAB and VBA. So again we will assume the direction. Suppose we have assumed the positive direction towards right. So VAB equals to VA minus VB. The direction of A and our assumed direction, they are directly opposite. So A would be taken negative, minus 50, minus VB. Both have the same direction, so it would be taken positive, 20. And it gives minus 35 meter per second. Means the relative velocity of A with respect to B, its direction is towards left, because we have assumed towards right and the result is negative, means its direction is opposite, towards left. And VBA equals to VB minus VA. The direction of B and our assumed direction, they are in the same direction. It would be taken 20 minus A and assumed direction, they are opposite. So it would become minus 50 and 20 plus 50, 35 meter per second and towards right. Positive value indicates towards the right. And the separation between them continuously increases. The separation between them is continuously increases. So we can say that the velocity of separation, between A and B is 35 meter per second. If we assume the direction towards left, then let us see VAB equals to VA minus VB. Both have the same direction. 15 minus, they have the opposite direction, so minus 20, it gives 15 plus 20, 35 meter per second, and towards left, because it has positive edge, its direction is towards left. And VBA equals to VB minus VA. Both have the opposite direction. So minus 20 minus, they have the same direction, 15 minus 35 meter per second. And minus 35 meter per second shows towards right. Towards right. So in this way, we will calculate the relative velocity of A with respect to B and relative velocity of B with respect to A. Now the problem is, two parallel tracks run north-south. There are two parallel tracks. Two parallel tracks runs north-south, north to south direction. Train A moves due north. There is a train A which moves due north. Train A moves due north with a speed of 54 km per hour. The speed of train A, VA, is given 54 km per hour. We convert it into meter per second. So 54 into 1000 divided by 60 into 60. 15 meter per second. Car A is moving towards south. Train A moves due north. Train A moves due north with a speed of 15 meter per second. 15 meter per second. And train B moves due south. There is another train B which moves due south with a speed of 90 km per hour. 90 km per hour. Convert into meter per second. 90 into 1000 by 60 into 60. 15. This comes to be 25 meter per second. Train B is moving towards south with a speed of 25 meter per second. A monkey runs on the roof of train A. There is a monkey runs on roof of train A with a velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to train A. So velocity of monkey is 18 km per hour. Convert this also into meter per second. It comes to be 5 meter per second. And it moves opposite to train A. It moves opposite to train A. It moves opposite to train A with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Monkey is moving opposite to the motion of the train with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So we have to calculate relative velocity of B with respect to A. Relative velocity of B with respect to A. So, suppose we assume the direction, positive direction is taken towards north. We have assumed the positive direction towards north. First thing we have to find relative velocity of B with respect to A. VBA equals to VB minus VA. The direction of train B. The direction of train B and our assumed direction both are directly opposite. So the velocity of speed of B is taken negative, minus 25, minus the direction of train A and our assumed direction. They are in the same direction. So it will be taken 15. It gives minus 40 meter per second. Minus 40 meter per second shows that the direction of this relative velocity is towards south, means from north to south. The direction of relative velocity B with respect to A is from north to south. Now we have to calculate relative velocity of ground with respect to B. On ground, there is observer on ground. So second part, relative velocity of ground with respect to train B. VGB equals to VG minus VB, and the observer which is at ground is at rest, so its velocity is 0, minus VB, the direction of B and our assumed direction are directly opposite, so it would be taken minus 25 and it gives 25 meter per second. It means relative velocity of ground with respect to B, its direction is towards from south to north. Its direction is from south to north. Now, third part, we have to calculate velocity of monkey as observed by man. Velocity of monkey as observed by passenger of train B. Velocity of monkey as observed by man standing on the ground. Velocity of monkey as observed by man. As observed by man on the ground. The third part we have to calculate the velocity of monkey as observed by man on the ground. So we will suppose let the velocity of monkey with respect to ground is Vm. For third part we will suppose let velocity of monkey with respect to ground is Vm. Velocity of monkey with respect to ground is Vm, and we know that Vma, velocity of monkey with respect to A. Firstly, we will calculate velocity of monkey with respect to A. So the velocity of monkey with respect to A is Vm minus V. VMA equals to VM minus V, and velocity VMA is given. Velocity of monkey with respect to train A, already it is known, 5 meter per second. And since the direction of monkey, velocity of monkey and our assumed direction, they are directly opposite, so VMA is taken as -5, and we have to calculate VM minus VA. The direction of train A and our assumed direction are same, it would be 15, and -15 will go on left side, so VM equals to 15 minus 5 equals to 10 meter per second. So velocity of monkey, relative velocity of monkey with respect to ground, its direction is from south to north, from south to north. The direction, the relative velocity of monkey with respect to ground is 10 meter per second from south to north.